Pandit ji once told my father that your son is a destructive person. He cannot achieve anything in his life. So my father had no hope in me, and he has always criticized me. At the age of 12, I was very frustrated. So I got a bunch of pills and I swallowed it. I went to sleep, thought that next morning I would not get up. But दूसरे दिन सुबह, when I got up, I realized कि मैं बच गया. Then, after a few months, again it was the same situation, and I got a mosquito repellent. It was a Odomos cream. So I skewed some, मैंने उसमें से कुछ cream निकाली and I ate it. After that, I went to sleep. Next morning, I thought that I would not get up, पर मैंने आँख खोली and I realized that ये मैं फिर से बच गया हूँ. After around 1 year, the situation was same, and I had a better plan. I got a rat repellent on which it was printed on the packet. It was printed, it is highly poisonous. So I thought that this time I can ensure that I could kill myself. So I ate it. The taste was very awful. I ate it and went to sleep. I thought that I would not get up next morning, but again I failed. मैं फिर से सुबह उठ पड़ा और देखा कि मैं फिर जिंदा हूं. But in August 2003, it was quite serious. This time, my achievements had been first year back, second year back, and I was in third year, final year of my graduation. I was completely hopeless that I would clear my graduation as well. And in that month, one night, I had a big fight with my parents. So, carrying a black bottle of phenyl, I went to a railway track. The taste, I still remember the taste of that phenyl and the smell of that phenyl was that can kill anyone. I emptied half bottle of that phenyl. So thereafter, I slitted my wrist thrice. And the third time was very severe. And I tried to pump out all the blood from my body. Third thing, I wanted to jump in front of train, but I couldn't gather all the courage to jump in front of the train. So I stayed there for 2 hours to ensure that all poisons in my body can be absorbed. After 2 hours, I went back to my home so that I can die at least at my home. So I was started becoming unconscious. When I reached there, I found that everybody was looking for me, my family, my friends, my relatives. And when I reached there, I was taken to hospital immediately. When I reached hospital, I was a little bit unconscious, but I could hear everything. I was being treated, but I could hear the discussion was going on outside that room. Everybody was saying that how stubborn is this guy is. How could he dare to attempt this kind of thing? So after 2 days, I was taken back to my home, and it was 12 midnight, I was alone in that room and it was completely silent. I started talking to myself and asked God, so this is the reason I was born? Just to suffer? I was born to die someday without doing anything in this life? I was born as a zero and someday I will die as a zero. That was the purpose of my life. So all of a sudden, I heard no. And I was stunned. As if I realized that that was the answer to me from the God. Then I asked, okay, this was your answer. Then I realized, okay, God must be telling me, अबे बेवकूफ, अगर तुझे मारना होता तो तुझे पहली बार ही मार दिया होता, 4 बार नहीं बचाया होता तुझे. Then I started looking the life in a different angle. I realized that I had been complaining about what I didn't have. Why cannot I start from zero? If I am stubborn, why cannot I can be stubborn enough to achieve anything which is very challenging and which is not accepted from me? Thereafter, I never look back. Friends, around 8 lakhs people in the world and on an average basis who commit suicide. And it is not like that they didn't have anything. Even celebrities and successful people have committed suicide. But there are some cases where people has attempted suicide, but after that they changed the way they looked at their life. Oprah Winfrey, she had committed suicide twice, but now she is one of the biggest anchor in the world and a mega billionaire, one of the richest person in US. Princess Diana, being a princess, she has committed 4 times suicide. But after that, she realized that this is a mental illness and she spread the awareness for mental illness. Martin Luther King, he had attempted suicide at the age of 12. But he became a great civil rights leader and had inspired so many people in his life. I am Kishore Sethi, had tried suicide 4 times and struggled to score even 40% marks till graduation. But now I am a first and only chartered accountant in my family so far. And I am presently handling a team size of 30 to 40 people and working with one of the biggest MNC in the world. Friends, if you think that if you are a zero, so there is nothing to lose. You should accept the way you are and let's start from zero. Thank you.